journey as we sail the Pacific Northwest from Vancouver Island to Mexico.
Roll back down somehow, and eventually you'll see me as I was meant to be, alive and awake, unbound by how this sounds. Hot sun, desperately seeking shade, shadows to lend us aid. A mixture of below and above, a gentle shove to bring me back down to earth. For what it's worth, I saw the light, but I won't go. I won't go. I saw the light, but I won't go. I won't go. A faded door, a portal to a place I've never been before, to take me away from here. But less is more. Retrace your steps to settle scores. The path will be all too clear. I'm freaked out, constantly in a haze. Shadows stretch on for days. And when we fall, no one can say we didn't give it all, and take it all back in turn and learn.
Wow. We made it.
We made it. Barely.
We're hanging on by some thin threads sometimes.
That was totally by the skin of our teeth, by the skin of our main track.
Yeah, oh my god, the sail track, yeah.
Yeah, but check this out. What's right there?
What's that? That bridgy thing. Sweet guy, we made it!
Yeah, we're anchored right here off of Sausalito Point, and it's gorgeous, man.
Oh my god.
It's so nice.
Being from BC, this place looks so amazing because it looks hot.
It is.
These trees are so cool.
You can immediately, once we came under the San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge, you can immediately smell the eucalyptus just blowing by, and it smells incredible. It's so nice. It's warm. It's dry. We've got a lot of drying out to do.
Oh, it's so salty down there.
Everything is covered in salt.
So salty.
Our wood is already starting to mold.
Can you believe that? Only like 8-9 days out there and it's already molding.
Yeah.
From that
From getting
sweatness.
splashed a few days ago, it instantly starts to
We both got
nasty.
sunburned, eh?
Yeah, my bottom lip is totally split.
Yeah, you got burned lip.
That hurts.
Yeah, man.
But and Caius, look at her, hey.
Yeah.
She's just like so at peace already.
Yeah, she's blessed. Baby dog.
She's out, down for the count already.
That's gonna be
Yeah.
weird for her.
Totally.
It's weird for me.
This is so nice though.
This is so amazing. This was worth it.
This here?
I think this is worth it. This view. Look at how amazing this is.
It kind of makes it a little more worthwhile, doesn't it?
And if we can weather that event we went through
Yeah.
to get here,
Yeah.
then we can do anything.
We paid some dues. I mean, yeah, we could probably sail through damn near anything after that.
We know a little bit more now about what we're made of.
Yeah. And what
we
our boat's made of.
We obviously need to put some things back onto the boat and make it a little bit better. But
Yeah, no, that was a great way to really figure out what we're up against and what we're doing. But
yeah.
man, it's so nice to finally get to this place. After all the work that we put into getting this boat ready and getting ourselves ready.
So much effort, so much time.
Yeah. We'll be completely out of money by the time you see the next episode.
After realizing we now have to haul out, then yeah, that was definitely unforeseen. So.
Yeah, all of our budget's going to be totally screwed, so who knows how long we'll be able to do this, but in the meanwhile, being here is pretty amazing, and we know that we can eventually make it back. Yeah, we're stuck here for the winter. We can't just turn around and go back, because we'd probably die this time if we tried to go up against trade winds in the winter off the coast of Oregon.
Yeah, that's not happening.
No, so
we'll just have to be bums or something.
Yeah.
Make it through.
We'll sell jewelry, bracelets on the beach or something like that.
I'll pick up shells and try and sell them to people who've never seen shells.
Yeah, shell necklaces.
Shell necklaces.
I can scrub people's boat hulls. If you have a dirty boat hull, I've got a scuba tank and a good scuba mask. I can see everything under there.
It's probably more lucrative than making shell necklaces. Sail track removal.
So we have this ultra high density, I don't know what they call it, some kind of strong, high strength composite plastic of some kind that is designed to provide a really low friction surface for your sail hardware to slide in. And ours is, as we learned on our passage, is so badly degraded by UV over the years that it's just certain to completely blow apart. So I'm yanking it out of the mast today to see if we can find a part number on it, or like a serial number type thing, so that they can just look through their records, hopefully, and send us exactly the same size of track without us having to go through the rigmarole of finding out what gauge and this, that, and the other thing. They should have it all in their files if we can find the number. And I'm starting to see something of a number come out now, but I don't know if it's going to be decipherable at all. But anyway, I'm going to keep yanking this thing out of the mast. It's freaking not fun.
When your forearms are still dead.
Oh, my forearms are so pooched.
There you go. You're getting more leeway having it now.
Yeah, now I can kind of get my fat ass into it a bit. Sink my fat ass in. Oh, look at that.
That's so beat.
Get close up to that. Isn't this? That's what happened.
Yeesh.
That's what happened when we were sailing. That blew apart like that. Rough. It's pretty beaten up. Yeah, it just snaps a little chunk right out. Oh, don't bark at them, buddy.
No. No barking. No barking. Just hanging out. Oh my god, they're so fat. It's so cute. I know, buddy.
Yeah, now she sees them.
They just look like lumps to her.
They look like cuddly little teddy bears. So.
Oh,
They're just eels, buddy. Oh, look at them swish. They are cute, eh?
at on the Golden Gate being roared by traffic. Tell what we're doing.
We're going surfing.
We're going surfing, where?
Yeah, we just walked over the bridge and we're going down Lincoln Avenue. We're gonna go down 25th Ave. We're gonna cross the park, whatever it's called. San Francisco Park.
Yeah, I think it's just San Francisco.
Yeah. And we're gonna go to Ocean Beach. The beach is
That way, brah. A 3 hour, 30-minute walk?
3 hours and 20 minutes on Google.
All right, cool. Let's do this thing.
Carried that surfboard for 9 miles and I'm not liking the conditions.
That sometimes happens.
That's typical for me. I'm a picky surfer. I like good conditions. And,
So what's wrong with this beach break?
well, it is typical beach break. Onshore wind, it's high tide, and just very crumbly waves, as we say. They're not really forming nice shoulders or anything consistent, so you end up going out there, your eyes can pick good lines, so your eyes always find good waves, and you're like, oh, it's not bad, but you end up going out there and taking off on waves that are just closeouts, like everything's just breaking, and you don't end up getting on a clean shoulder. Like, that's one of the bigger waves there, and it just breaks right across. There's no good line on it really, so. Nice horses. Yeah, and that's the other thing too. If there's a couple guys out there and you watch them for a while and you see them catch one or two short little shitty rides, you know that's the best that you're gonna probably get, unless you're a pro and those guys can catch anything and make it all look good. But when you see there's only a couple other guys and they're not on their feet much, then you know it's not gonna be a lot of good surf.
Good thing we have the whole California coast to explore.
Well, that's the thing, like I really want to get in the water. It's been so long since I went for a surf, but I know that there will be plenty of opportunity and much better conditions, so.
Oh God.
Hey.
Yeah. Damn, throwing sand at us. I thought we'd tire you out after 3.5 hours of walking.